Hello, everyone. Now that October is here, we have some news that could make your stocks go green faster than a Tesla Model S in ludicrous mode. Join us today as we reveal the secrets, highlight the catalysts, and delve deep into the developments that are set to make October the month for Tesla stock investors. Don't miss this exciting ride to financial success. We have all the information you need right here. But before we go any further, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Hello and welcome to Tesla Price News. This video recently, there has been a lot of interest and speculation in the stock market. A few months ago, market watchers seemed to all agree that the evidence was making more and more sense to give investors some background. Investors are being cautious right now because we are still navigating the unpredictable. In the late cycle waters of the past year, there was a lot of uncertainty. Some people wrongly expected a recession in the first half of this year, while others held on to the hope of a smoother economic situation. Sadly, their hope for landing in the next year may have been a bit premature and overpriced last summer. As a result, we've seen buyers get thrown off by price changes. A closer look shows that while the overall market averages may have only dropped by 45%, certain sectors, especially consumer stocks, are struggling. This drop reflects the mood we talked about off-camera, which hinted at middle to low-income consumers shrinking savings, which is now becoming a concern for higher-income consumers as well. Also, the student loan moratorium is looming in the background as an unpredictable factor that could affect the economy's path in the last quarter. On the bright side, Tesla has sped up the electric vehicle industry, turning electric cars from a novelty to a highly sought-after possession. However, as the industry moves forward, some people think Tesla's meteoric rise will slow down. This raises the question, will Tesla's rise continue? If so, what strategies will they use to ensure sustained growth? There's no denying that Tesla is going full speed ahead with big plans to release cutting-edge models, improve production, and come up with new battery technologies. There's a lot of talk about Tesla, but there are also whispers of doubt as competition grows. Many people wonder if Tesla can keep up with rising demand or keep its pole position. Today's discussion will go into detail about Tesla's moves to keep its stock price high and the reasons behind its predicted stock price rise in the coming months, especially given the tough financial times they've been through. Without further ado, let's move on to today's hot topics, starting with Tesla. Front and center, Deutsche Bank has changed its SES on Tesla, which lowers its price, which is interesting. Target from 1,300 to 285. Analyst Emmanuel Rosner is worried that Tesla might not meet its delivery and production goals for Q3. The bank also points out a possible downside in Tesla's growth and earnings forecast for 2024. Rosner's analysis, which is especially important because of how much influence he has in the market, points to a possible change in Tesla's plans, suggesting that the company might stop expanding operations in its Austin and Berlin facilities. In the midst of the market's rough waves, it's important to know why certain sectors, especially consumer stocks, are taking a beating. With the global economy changing, consumers, who are often seen as the backbone of the economy, are showing signs of weariness. Their shrinking savings are more than just numbers on a graph. They reflect a larger story of financial stress and the resulting cuts in spending. Together, this trend and the uncertainty facing the student loan, the moratorium draws a pretty complicated picture of the next economic season. Will consumers get better or worse? Go back to being financially conservative. Tesla, on the other hand, seems to be a shining example of innovation in these tough times. Their bold moves in the EV industry have not only changed the way cars are made, but they have also set the standard for what electric mobility should be. But with great success comes even greater scrutiny. Market analysts, investors, and even casual observers are closely watching Tesla's every move, whether it's their production goals or plans for growth. This shows how monumental Tesla's impact on the market is. But no company can afford to rest on its laurels, and Tesla is no exception. Competition isn't just knocking on the door, it's trying to break in. New EV companies with big investments and fresh ideas are fighting for a piece of the pie that Tesla mostly enjoys. As competition grows, it begs the question, what will Tesla do next to stay ahead? Deutsche Bank's latest change to Tesla's price as markets change. If Tesla doesn't push too hard on volume, it could ease some of the pressure on prices, which could help the company's closely watched automotive gross margins, pointing to possible improvements on the horizon. Have you ever thought about investing in electric cars with a close eye on Tesla? If so, Ross Gerber's advice might be helpful as he talks about the stock price. Guru, in particular about Tesla, and many other industry experts think that buying extensions and investing in electric vehicles are the best ways to make money. In the next 10 years, when the world is eagerly embracing the electric revolution, Tesla could be the game changer. Tesla is at the front of the pack. After all, Tesla is the one running up the leaderboard in the clean energy race. There's been a lot of talk about possible problems with Tesla's plans to expand into Mexico. Some people don't think it's a big deal, but it could have medium-term effects on the company's growth. Expanding into new markets is a big part of Tesla's grand strategy, and Mexico is a key part of that. Any problems or slowdowns could stop their fast-paced plans, which could hurt their foothold in this growing market. But for people with a long-term view, this shouldn't keep them up at night. If you're asking why, let's take a closer look at Tesla's growth map. It's truly fascinating. They're getting ready for the release of a small hit called the Model 2. Why all the buzz? This car is meant to make the dream of having a Tesla fee a reality for many people, especially those who have been waiting eagerly for a Tesla that doesn't cost a fortune. At Tesla's most recent meeting with investors, visionary CEO Elon Musk hinted at having costs for making things. The secret sauce changed the way cars are made and the new base for cars that will come out of the Gigafactory in Mexico. The goal is to make cars under $30,000 that can compete with gas-powered cars, like the Toyota Corolla. This isn't just a game changer. It's also a way to bring more people into the electric world and give us more information. El Morav, Tesla's vice president of car engineering, talked about the power of scale. He made it clear that higher output volumes always mean lower costs for making things. He said that this strategic method, along with new electric vehicle platforms, is key to Tesla's long-term production goals. Milestones. Every time a new Tesla model comes out, it's more than just a new piece of technology. A strong feeling of hope permeates the air, reflecting the worldwide trend towards sustainability. It's no wonder that the market for electric cars has grown at a rate that has never been seen before, with Tesla often leading the way. Did you know that? Beyond cars, Tesla is also dabbling in renewable energy. Their solar roof and power wall products are changing how homeowners use and store energy, working toward a greener grid. The company's progress in solar energy, along with its EV prowess, paint a picture of a future where our homes and cars live together in an eco-friendly ecosystem. The effects of Tesla's progress are far-reaching as cities become more crowded. The need for efficient clean energy grows. Transportation is very important. Tesla's advances in battery technology could one day power public transportation solutions that change cityscapes and the air we breathe. When talking about Tesla's accomplishments, you can't leave out Elon Musk, the mysterious founder and CEO of the company. Musk's ventures, which include SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, all share a commitment to sustainability and pushing the limits of what's possible. Tesla's path truly seems to be bound for the stars, but with every success story comes a challenge. Competition in the EV market is heating up, with both established automakers and newcomers all wanting a piece of the action. In the coming years, it will be very important to see how Tesla handles this crowded market while still putting innovation first. As Tesla grows globally, it will also be important to understand and cater to different markets, from different regulatory landscapes to understanding different consumer behaviors. As much as it's a business move, Tesla's global odyssey is also a study of culture. Tesla's journey isn't just about selling electric cars. It's a movement, a revolution if you will, that wants to change the way people think about energy and transportation. With so much coming up, we can't wait to see where Tesla's electric journey takes the world next in many ways. Tesla is no longer just an auto or tech business. It's a cultural phenomenon. Tesla cars are more than just good for the environment. They become a status symbol. They're stylish, innovative, and often the talk of gatherings.